Hi everyone, and welcome to this creative slider tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how easy it is to customize a pre-made slider template in Creative Slider and transform it from this to this. With just a few simple changes, you can transform the slider to perfectly match your own shop. Let's jump into the back office and start customizing the slider. Navigate to Creative Slider and click on the Sliders tab. From the Sliders dashboard, open the Template Store. All pre-made sliders are fully customizable, allowing you to replace elements such as images, text, prices, and descriptions with your own content easily. For this example, import our Step Into Style template. Once the slider is imported, you'll automatically be taken to the slider settings. From here, go to the Slides tab where you can edit each slide. This slider consists of 4 slides displayed as tabs at the top of the Slide Options panel. If you don't need a specific slide, you can remove it using the red cross. Or rearrange the slides by dragging them into a different order. Now let's edit the first slide. Every technical aspect is already configured in the template, so you don't have to edit the animations or the structure of the slider. Now let's customize the content of the slider. To replace the image, right-click on it on the canvas, then select the image layer from the overlapping layers list. Now if you scroll down to the Layers panel under your slide, you can also see the selected image layer. Click on the image to open the File Manager, where you can upload or select your own product image. I already uploaded mine, so I'll simply insert it from the folder. The image will instantly appear in the live editor. In this example, my product image already fits perfectly into the design, but if you need to resize it, you can do so from the Style tab of the layer by adjusting its width in pixels or percentage. Now let's locate the product name layers the same way. In this slider design, the product name is created using 2 separate text layers to achieve the effect, one for the outlined text and one for the filled text. Let's select the outlined layer first. You can see the layer already highlighted in the Layers panel. On the Content tab of this layer, you can enter your own product name. Then, in the Layers panel, select the other text layer used for the filled text and modify that as well. If you scroll up, as you can see in the live editor, the product image and the product name you inserted automatically complement each other within the slider design. Now let's move on to the description section. You can either select it from the Layers panel or directly from the live editor. Paste your product description into the field. And lastly, locate the price layer and modify it with your own product price. Now that we're done customizing the content, you may also notice the Buy Now button already included in the slider. On the Link and Attributes tab of this layer, you can paste the URL of your product page into the link field. This allows customers to navigate directly to the product from the slider, creating a smoother shopping experience and making it easier for users to purchase the product. Now that the first slide is customized, go to the second slide and repeat the same process, replacing the content to transform this slide into this. Then by following the same approach, you can customize the last slide as well by replacing the product image, text, description, and price with your own content. And just like that, your slider is fully customized and ready to use. Now let's go back to the settings and place the slider on your homepage. Click on the Slider Settings tab, then open the Publish tab. Sliders are automatically set as active when they are created, but they will not appear in your shop until you define the exact placement of the slider. So let's do that from the Layout tab. In the Modal Position drop-down list, you can select from the most common hooks used in a PrestaShop store, or even enter your own custom hook manually. In this example, let's select the homepage position. Don't forget to save the slider, and now let's check it on the front. Usually, when modules are hooked into a specific position, they appear at the bottom of the hook list by default, which means that the slider has also been placed at the bottom of the homepage. Since this is the main slider of the shop, we want to place it at the very top of the homepage. Right now, the native PrestaShop slider is still occupying that position, so let's solve both at the same time. Go back to your back office and locate the Design menu. In this menu, you'll find the Positions tab where modules can be reordered or removed from a specific hook. From here, search for the Display Home hook. You'll see the list of modules hooked into the home page. Simply drag Creative Slider and place it at the top of the hook list. This will position the slider at the top of the home page, directly below the menu. At the same time, let's also unhook the native image slider module to remove it from the home page. With these changes, your default PrestaShop slider has now been completely replaced with your newly created slider, showcasing your own products and branding on the homepage of your store. You may notice that the slider currently does not fully fit into the viewport. To solve this, we created the Hero Scene feature in Creative Slider. Go back to the slider settings and open the Layout tab. In the Mode drop-down list, select the Hero Scene option. When this feature is enabled, the slider automatically adjusts itself to fill the remaining screen space. So now on the front, you can see that the slider automatically takes elements such as your website header into account, creating a clean, full-screen appearance. And that's it. Your pre-made slider template is now fully customized and integrated into your shop. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Subscribe for more features, guides, and PrestaShop tutorials, and explore the other videos on our channel.